I don't want to fall.
You won't. Come on. Hi everyone. I'm just walking with my mum up to the fish pond on a nice spring day. I've got the dogs with me too. Hello Max. Hello Misty. I'm just holding on to my mum's hands and we're just walking around giving her a nice bit of exercise.
Who was saying that to?
I'm just talking to the phone. Stand up straight. Stand up straight. Yes, I know. I've got mummy here. You'll see? Just put one foot in front of the other. Wasn't that nice?
Going
See?
back now.
Yeah, in a minute. Look at this fish pond. See?
Going now.
Don't you want to see the fish pond? Might see some fishes in there. If you remember, we walked up here last year and I filmed. See? Gently. Gently.
You know it broke my back, don't you?
No. Well, it's not going to break your back. It's going to help you, okay? Now, it's all downhill all the way, you see? Oh, look. Even Misty loves it. So does Max. Now, gently, slowly, slowly, and stand up straight. See?
Where can I go?
Yeah, we're just walking down there. See? And Misty wants to throw a stick. Max wants to hold on to you.
Do you feel sick?
No, that's what I mean, everyone, about her. Just stand up straight, stand up straight. Stand up straight. That's good, stop. Wait. A big shout out goes to Laura, Positive Bluebird. That's one anyway. I'm going to do a few more shout outs. Oh yeah. Yeah, you love this walk, don't you? You love to... Hey, come out of the way, Max. There's a good... And we can just walk straight on the footpath now. You can tell it's spring. I saw a bumblebee earlier on.
Where am I going?
We're going back into the house now.
Oh, I can't hurry.
It's alright. Okay, and just walk yourself in there. Come on then. Sorry?
That was quick.
Oh, yeah, we didn't really want to put too much on her.
Where?
Was it a good enough walk, do you think, Dad, or do you think we should have stayed out?
That's fine.
Okay.
That does them more good than anything.
Where am I going, darling?
I'm just going to sit down.
I want to wee-wee.
Hold on, let's sit down first. Yeah.
The cab's just wet the dog's nose.
I know. You just see these pedals here. This helps with her pedaling. Okay, so put your foot up on there. Put your feet up.
Like this?
Yeah. Is that too far away?
Yes.
Okay, let's bring it a bit closer, shall we? A bit closer, a bit closer. Let's shut the door and now you can start pedalling.
Can you shut this
Yeah,
door?
let's shut the door.
So I want you to stroke her. Just stroke the dog.
Oh, crikey, you as well. Okay, do you want to try pedalling now? Help your legs. No, not you. Okay, cool. Right, here we go. Go on, pedal. That's it. It's good. Yeah, pedal, pedal, pedal.
Is Dad okay?
He's fine.
Just reading bloody
Yeah.
paper. Where am I going now?
You're just going to pedal until I pedal for 20 seconds.
Eh?
Pedal for 20 seconds, okay? 1, go on, 2,
3,
3, yep, 4, 5,
6,
6, 7, 8, 9,
8, 9,
10, 11, 12,
11,
13,
12,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now do 5 more. 1,
2,
2, 3, 4,
4,
5.
5.
Right. That's it. Oh, you can keep going if you wish. It does you a lot of good.
Where am I
Helps you
going?
build up your thigh muscles.
Where am I going, Dad?
Nowhere. I'm Carl, by the way.
I want to do a wee-wee.
Okay. Thank you for watching.